Former Senator Antonio Trillanes IV challenged President Duterte to appoint the Vice President Leni Robredo as chairperson of the Interagency Task Force on Emerging Infectious Diseases that deals with the COVID-19 pandemic. Trillanes suggested this after Presidential Spokesperson Harry Roque said Robredo should present solutions rather than criticize the government's effort to contain the pandemic. Roque, however, turned down the former senator's suggestion. Health Secretary Francisco Duque III leads the IATF, while Cabinet Secretary Carlo Nograles sits as co-chair.
Thank you for watching Politiko TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.